Hey, Jazz.
Huh?
What's in the box? What's in this box right here?
Kitty.
Kitty?
Yeah.
Are they our kitty?
Yeah. Oh,
Amanda Waddle just sent us a message. Here's the kitties. Hey, Jazz.
Huh?
What are the kitties' names? Do you remember what we named the mommy?
Uh-huh.
What?
Princess.
No.
Belle and the Princess.
Belle and Princess. Don't kick that, please.
Why?
Because you'll scare them.
You're not scared.
Hmm?
You're not scared me.
No.
I'm
There they are.
I like it.
Babies. Oh, we were just playing with.
Well, I'm going to have my water bottle.
Okay. Hey, do you love the kitties?
No.
No? Oh, we'll get rid of them then.
I like them.
You like them? Say bye, people.
Bye, people.